The following graph gives information about global warming predictions. First of all, I can see, light color represents low temperature and dark color represents high temperature. From the map, we can see that the highest temperature can be found in North America, which is 6 to 8 degrees. Followed by, the second highest temperature can be found in Africa and Europe, which is around 3 to 5 degrees. And the lowest temperature can be found in Australia and North America, which is around 1 to 3 degrees. The world is going to have global warming as predicted. Overall, it is concluded that the image is very informative and knowledgeable for me. The following colorful picture gives information about the solar system. This is a very beautiful picture, and it shows a number of things. According to this image, the largest planet is Jupiter, the color of it is brown. You can see from this image that, the second largest planet is Saturn, the color of it is brown. And the smallest planet is Mercury, followed by Mars, Earth, Venus, Neptune, Uranus. The quality of the image is very good. I can also see some colors like orange, yellow and blue. In conclusion, this picture is very informative. This is an interesting image in front of me. Let me have a closer look at the given random picture. After having a look, I can see it gives information about mountain glaciers. First of all, at the top of the image, I can see clouds, snow, and mountain glacier. However, at the bottom, there is bedrock, ocean, iceberg, and ice shelf. The middle of the image shows snow line, ice sheet, and sea level. I can also see some colors like white, blue, brown, and gray. The quality of the picture is very good. Overall, it is concluded that the image is very informative and knowledgeable for me. The given bar graph reveals information about percentage of students proficient in a foreign language. The data is calibrated in percentage. It is crystal clear from the image that the maximum figure in males is of India, which is 56. The second highest figure is of Romania, which is 42. On the other hand, the minimum figure is of China, which is above 14. I can see some more information regarding females and other countries. Overall, it is concluded that the given image is very informative and knowledgeable for me. The given picture shows the flowchart for quiz. The flowchart is described in 5 steps. Initially, the first slide is to start quiz. The second slide is to ask question. If the answer is correct, then go to next question directly. But if the answer is wrong, then click on wrong and move to next question. All the steps of the flowchart are very simple and clear. Overall, it is concluded that the given image is very informative and knowledgeable for me. The given pie chart reveals information about causes of deforestation in the Brazilian Amazon, 2000 to 2005. The data is calibrated in percentage. It is crystal clear from the image that the maximum figure is of cattle ranching, which is 65 to 70%. The second highest figure is of small-scale agriculture, which is 20 to 25%. On the other hand, the minimum figure is of China, which is above 14. I can see some more information regarding females and other countries. Overall, it is concluded that the given image is very informative and knowledgeable for me. The given bar graph depicts information about height of different types of trees. The data is calibrated in numbers. It is crystal clear from the image that the maximum figure is of Douglas fir at 280 feet. Followed by the second highest figure of spruce, which is 230 feet. On the other hand, the minimum figure is of hemlock, which is 130 feet. I can see some more information regarding cedar. Overall, it is concluded that the bar graph is very knowledgeable and informative for me. The given image depicts information about minimum ice thickness guidelines for nuclear ice only. The data is calibrated in inches. After having a look, I can see the various trends are emerging. It is crystal clear from the image that the maximum figure is of green car, which is 15 inches. Followed by the second highest figure of red car, which is 12 inches. On the other hand, the minimum figure is of man in orange dress at 4 inches. The given image depicts information about trout size. The data is calibrated in numbers. It is crystal clear from the image that the maximum figure is of more than 15-year-old trout, which is 60. Followed by the second highest figure of 8-year-old trout, which is almost 50. On the other hand, the minimum figure is of 1-year-old trout, which is approximately 30. I can see some more information regarding 3-year-old trout. Overall, it is concluded that the given image is very knowledgeable and informative for me. The dual picture in front of me shows map and bar graph. It reveals information about population by income level and by consumption level. The data is calibrated in numbers. In the year of 2004 in bar, the maximum figure is of low-income population, which 3. Moving further, the second maximum figure is of mode income, which is less than 2.5. On the other hand, the minimum figure is of high income, which is exact 1. I can see some more information regarding 1960. Overall, it is concluded that the image is very informative and knowledgeable for me.